Hey guys, my name is Neelkant Patel. My project topic is Crime Free India. So, problem statement is we as a normal people, we don't have a lot of useful information while visiting new places, and as a result, what we feel is safety in unknown places are also less, right? Due to this, what happening is people are not feeling safe while traveling and remain silent in in crime happening across him. So in this problem there are two key areas. First one is safety infrastructure like street lights, CCTVs, and police patrolling, information like safe places, area scores, and emergency contact number, which is not exposed to us. So, how this can be solved, right? So, I have identified is first infrastructure should be improved, like CCTV, street light should be there. Then, business should record all this information in system, and business should implement one application to represent that data. Let me quickly show you one demo for my app that I have built. So this is typical crime free India homepage portal, which is promotional page. Here you will find news and updates happening around your countries. There are two main facilities of this portal. First one is get area details, and second is register crime. Let me show you get area details first. So, what get area details is implemented for this is 360-degree view of your city. So, in here you can find all the available filters. You'll have to select your place. You'll have to select your facilities. This is map component, so you can also visualize the places you will be visiting. Here is area insight. So area insight will display you if this place is safe or not, and these are legal authorities informations like police inspectors, government uh, legal authorities details. So let me show you by selecting one place. Let's say Gujarat, Surat. In Surat, let me select Dumas. Let me check all the facilities and click on filters. So as you can see, results are here. On map component, you can see this police station is located here. This CCTV is installed here, and this is safe places around my area. Same thing, you can also get more details on result component. This is the CCTV. This is the police station information with address and safe place information. This is area insight. So selected area Dumas is considered as safe places. You can see this safe checkmark logo. Here you will be having information for legal authorities like Bronston Cook is police inspector for selected area. Kendrick Mayer is chief minister for selected area. Let me show you another area. Let's select Bhimpur and click on filter. So as you can see, in Bhimpur there is only one safe places, and on area insight Bimpur is not considered as safe places, so we should avoid visiting this area. Yeah, so this is about this get area details feature. Let me show you register crime feature. So register crime is meant for citizen to report their crime is happening across his area. So this form will open up and you'll have to select which crime category is, which subcategory is. You'll have to select your area and write down description, and then you'll have to fill your information and then submit your crime. So when you click on submit crime, what in backend happen is it will create the case, and now legal authorities have to resolve this case. Let me show you how it will look like on Salesforce instance. So this is typical crime free India Salesforce instance where the user will have to open this case, and as you can see, this case is now has been created, and now legal authorities has to work on this crime. So yeah, these two are main feature of this portal. Thank you. So this is the simple demonstration of my project idea. As you have seen, everything is now at your fingertip. You'll have to submit crime. It will create the case, and resolution can be done from legal authorities, and outcome will be happy citizen. So these are impact it will create on society. We as a normal people can travel safely at unknown places. Necessary steps we can take based on available place information before visiting it. Crime reporting will become easy, trust will increase, and as a result, crime rates will decrease. Please do check out this portal that I have implemented. Thank you so much.